One brush, one eyeshadow, one glitter, and one eye pencil is all it took to create this fabulous look. And I can't wait to show you how it's done so you can create it as well. Now, without further delay, let's begin. The brush that I'm going to be using today is from Wet n Wild. It's actually a highlighter brush. It looks like a large blending brush. You can either use a blending brush or a highlighter brush. And I'm going to list some of my favorites in the description box below, so do check that out. And the palette that I'm going to be using is the Discovery Eyeshadow Palette by Rare Beauty. It's got a pressed glitter as well as eyeshadows. I'm going to be using this brown eyeshadow and just applying it all over my lid, and I'm going to focus mostly in the outer corner and the crease. So that'll define my lid and give some shape and structure. And then I'm going to be smoking it out in my lower lash line as well. And then I'm picking up this glitter with my finger and just applying it all over my lid. I try to keep the glitter on my lid. If it gets to your crease, you can always use a Q-tip or another brush to just dust it off. Because I wanted this look to be a soft glam, I'm going to be using a brown eye pencil. This is by Jordana. It's the Easy Liner. That's pretty much it. You can finish this off the way you prefer. I just use some mascara and lashes. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara. And for lashes, I'm using one of my favorites. These are the Tati Lashes in Rich AF. Here's the finished eye look. How quick and easy was that? And they look so beautiful, so glam, but at the same time subtle. So it's a soft glam, and I live for such looks. I absolutely love it. To pair with this look, I'm using one of my favorite lip combos. I'm going to start with the Jordana Easy Liner Lip Liner in Rose Crush. And I'm going to fill it in with the House Labs Lip Crayon in Influencer. Absolutely love the way this looks. It is so subtle, so pretty. And I usually top it off with a gloss, but I'm just going to keep it matte today. And here is the finished look. Would love to hear your thoughts, so comment below and let me know. And would you create this look? If you do, don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed down below in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up. Again, check out the description box for all the products that I used today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.